Today we are going to see how to send files from between phone and the PC, Android phone and PC using QuickShare on the phone and Windows. To get QuickShare on your Windows machine, we have to go to Google and search for QuickShare Google Windows. There are two QuickShare apps, one on the Microsoft Store made by Samsung, which is actually here. Search for QuickShare. This QuickShare app, which is on the Microsoft Store, is made by Samsung. In most older PCs, this version is not compatible and it will not install. Hence, I recommend this version, which you can get from Android website. Go to the second link with the Android symbol www.android.com, the new QuickShare app for Windows, and click on Get Started. It'll download. It'll install automatically by downloading. Once it is completed, you can close this. In the menu, you can search for Quick Share and you can open it. Now I had already logged into this, so it has already taken up my account. If you have not logged in, you can just click login and follow the instructions provided. After this is set up, once the PC and the phone are on the same network, from the phone, this is a video that I just recorded. You can click the share button. It'll show in Samsung devices just over here as my PC, or you can just click on the quick share icon. It will scan and show the PC here. Once you tap on it, it will start sending the file. The speed of transfer varies depending upon the Wi-Fi which you are connected to. Once it is downloaded, you can just click open. Now we can remove the SD card from the card and it will play.